No way I can get close to that. We took a lot of damage back there. I got multiple ruptures to the fuel lines, the pods too. We're bleeding fuel like a stuck pig. Gotta swing out and drop you at the south end. Sorry, man.
All right, strap up and stow your shit. We're gonna be dropping this guy out the back of this VTOL.
You're gonna what? Shit!
Ready?
Drop coming up. I'll go as low as I can, but we're running on vapor here. Make it quick.
Oh shit! Son of a bitch!
10 seconds. Let's go. Good luck, Marine! Watch your ass, son.
It's good of you to come for me like this, Alcatraz, but you will need to proceed with caution. Lockhart has deployed his elite forces across the island. I'll guide you as best I can, but my view from here is, shall we say, severely limited.
Saffron 5. All quiet here.
Saffron 7, oversight 1. Status report. Roger, oversight 1. Saffron 7, no serious
All right, slow down and listen carefully, Alcatraz. Lockhart set an EMP trap for you at the next control barrier. If it triggers correctly, It'll fry the nanoshell's systems and probably your synapses too. Now, there's no way to bypass the trap, but we can trick it out. There's a substation for the Prism's power grid over near the East Shore, not far from your position.
I'm sure someone's out there. What?
Good. Now, Lockhart doesn't know it, but the power systems he's using for his EMP blast have to route through that station, and they're pushing close to overload. If you can trigger the emergency shutdown, it'll kick his loop out, and when the systems come back up, they'll disallow any major power surge. He won't know it because it won't show up on the board, but when he hits the blast trigger, trust me, it'll fail.
Ja! He's dead! We have a man...
Excellent. Now get out of there as fast as you can. Cell will no doubt have spotted the outage. They'll be on their way to investigate.
Substation.
We got one! Sniper!
You must push forward now. Don't give them time to think about what you've done. They're sending reinforcements to the substation. You must proceed with caution, Alcatraz. We've come so far. You cannot fail me now.
My
Now, this should be interesting.
That's it, gentlemen. We have it. Hit the switch.
Blast confirmed. Raise the inner door. Inner door enabled. Here we go.
Soon as you get line of sight, gentlemen, you hose it down. We're taking the attention this time. Scrap.
Alcatraz, there's a drainage grate to your left. Smash it out, take the pipes to the river. I'll unlock the maintenance door and send you Lockhart's location. Now, move!
He's gone. He's not here.
What the hell is going on down here, Saffron 6? Report!
He's not here.
Find him and take him down! Saffron 10, be advised. Target may be moving on your left flank. Assume he is undamaged. The EMP does not seem to have worked. Repeat, the EMP did not work. Prepare to engage. Agreed. Do I have to do everything myself? You are elite soldiers. You are equipped. Will somebody grow some balls and kill them? Fuck for me. I warned you, Lockhart. I told you you were out of your depth. Your little power play is over. You next, old man. You next. I finished with this suited fuck and I'm coming in there for you. No more house arrest. We're seeing our brains out. Better men than you have tried, son. Better men than you and things so far beyond men you can't even begin to imagine them. Alcatraz?
What?
He's just
Man down! Man down! Sniper! Man down! Roger, we've got visual. Incoming fire! We lost one! Sniper! Incoming fire!
Requesting backup.
Fuck you, Tin Man!
Good work, son. Now let's get you inside. I'm opening the prism entrance now. Head on over there, fast as you can. That's it. Perfect. Thank you, Miss Strickland. Exemplary. Check his vitals, would you, then have him moved across to the skinning lab. We need to get him prepped as soon as possible. Time is very much against us.
Warning. EMP shutdown. All systems impaired. Switching to core function mode. Life support priority. Warning. EMP shutdown. All systems impaired. Switching to core function mode. Life support priority. Warning. Deep layer protocols engaging. Rerouting systems. Wake up, Marine. This is no time for dying. Get your ass back in the fight.
Just another grunt, I'm afraid. Prophet could have told us more. At least we have the nano gear intact. That's all that really matters. The rest I'll have to improvise once I'm in the suit. Ah, my young friend. I had hoped to spare you consciousness here, but the nano gear is not proving cooperative. Let's get started. I'm truly sorry for this betrayal, but I really have no choice. I need the suit. This particular suit, in fact, if I'm to have any hope at all of stopping the Seth. A simple soldier will not suffice you.
I don't understand what's going on.
You're in, Prophet. Your suit's learned the Seth's nanosystems. You've got to go back. You're our best hope.
You twisted motherfucker! You knew! You knew the suits were symbiotic. You knew what they'd do to my men. You turned them into dead men walking!
I turned them into post-human warriors. You're a soldier. Think of it as necessary sacrifice.
You lied to us!
Perhaps I was economical with the truth, yes. But what choice did I have? What choice do you have now? The Seth are coming, Prophet. Soon. You think we'll defeat them with ordinary human soldiers? This isn't a war ordinary humans can win. This is the future. Death's an inconvenience now. Nothing more. We are all dead men walking.
The suit's rejecting the rip! It's overloading!
Stop him. Kill him if you have to, but don't damage the nano gear. Headshots only.
Nice try, Tin Man. Now say goodnight.
Tara, no. Tara, listen to me.
It's okay, you're safe. I'm CIA, Special Operations Group. Recruited out of the SEALs 3 years ago. I'm the one who ordered your squad to bring Prophet and Gould out, yeah. Screwed now, of course. All right, look, there'll be time to explain later. Right now, the Ceph are breaking into this place and we gotta get Hargreave out. The man is insane. He thinks he's the only competent human being on the planet. But he's got vital knowledge on the Ceph. He stole their technology 100 years ago at Tunguska. He's been working on it ever since. 3 years ago, he was the puppet master behind the mess at Lingshan that killed my father. He's got some kind of plan for confronting the invasion, and we need to know what it is. He's holed up in the executive level, through that way. Heavy security. No one gets in to see him face to face. Believe me, I've tried. You're gonna have to break him. I'll get up to the helipad and secure a transport. Bring him out and meet me there. We fly him out, we take him someplace we can make him talk. I'll stay on comms and keep you posted. Now go!
Tactical options available.
Designate primary target. Need backup! Incoming fire! Report in! Ah! Get the 50. Ah! Ah! Firm man down.
So here you are, Theseus at last. Welcome. Scant reward for so much effort, eh? Crack the labyrinth and you would at least expect to see the Minotaur before it kills you. Ah well, it seems only fair. Come then. Masks off. I am here. Shocked? I would be. I'd revel in it if I were you. That sudden jump of the pulse, the cram of the fight or flight chemicals into the belly. So sweet while it lasts. But it's been very long since I felt any of it. A century or more since my pleasures were anything but cerebral. I took the path Karl Rasch refused, the cold road to immortality. I'd hoped to wear Prophet's suit myself, take on the weapons he brought us, wear his armor, enter the labyrinth and confront the Minotaur. But now, you will have to finish what Prophet began.
Get out of there, Alcatraz!
No! Wait! There is a final piece of the puzzle you need. There on the desk. Take the syringe. Take it. Yes, there. The Tunguska iteration. The key to all gates. You think I'm based in this cesspit city because I like it here?
You were waiting for them. Why didn't you warn someone?
Warn whom? Humanity at large?
Look what you've done, old man! They're here, you...
That's right, Nathan. The owners are back. Waking the systems, firing up the boiler, back to spring clean the old family residence. And not much liking what they found festering behind the fridge. Can you blame them, really? Ah, the angels of death at last. My escort back to human frailty. Took you long enough. Become prophet. Take on power. Strength for your species, for humanity in all its fumbling, half-made glory.
Get out of there, Alcatraz.
Yes, that's it. Go. Go. Save us all.
This is Jacob Hargreave to all cell personnel. Commander Lockhart is dead. I will be joining him shortly, and the Prism facility is wired to explosively self-destruct. Subject Prophet is now your only hope of turning back the alien invasion. You will therefore discontinue hostilities and afford him every assistance you can as you evacuate this island.
All Prism facilities will explosively self-seal in 10 minutes. Your employee duties are terminated. Please exit via the indicated channels.
Alcatraz, the roof is trashed. There's nothing flyable up here. I'm heading for the Queensboro Bridge. Meet me on the far side if you can.
Listen to me, Alcatraz. Hargreave never bluffed in his life. This place is going up. You've got to get out of there.
Sit down.
Moving, Alcatraz. We're heading across town to the bridge. Hurry!
Evacuate! Go! Go!
It's dead.
Roger that. Stay frosty. Return to position.
Time! We gotta get across the bridge!
You need to get back to Manhattan. We lose the suit, we lose everything.
Squid! Make it!
Will there be an afterlife, I wonder? Choirs of angels? Or a fiery pit? One unlearns these falsehoods over time, but the child who learned to fear hell is never really gone. To tell the truth, I think I've had quite enough of afterlives as it is. This one has been pretty purgatorial. Almost 50 years floating in super cool jelly like some medical specimen. Thoughts creeping like rats through the cramped silicon corridors of machines, trapped behind video screens and camera systems. Never sleeping, never resting, never ceasing to think about the world you no longer belong to. No, if this is a taste of the afterlife, I think simple oblivion will do nicely.
All prison facilities will explosively self-seal in 3 minutes. Your
Don't waste your time, Alcatraz. Get across the bridge.